2, 3. Good morning, gurus. Bitcoin hit 73,000. Big congratulations to all of you. Dogecoin also pumping a lot, which is amazing. We're going to jump into my trades. My account hitting 760,000. If you watched it, it was 700,000 3 days ago. So that's about 60K in 3 days, which is beautiful. We're going to look at Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and go over your questions. Big congratulations. There's been a lot of requests for World, which has not yet pumped. And Sui. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And big congratulations to all of you. Remember, protect your capital. Your goal is to build your capital, and then it'll start compounding. Compounding interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Albert Einstein quote. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My Bybit account first is at 757,000, which is beautiful. This week from 700, about 3 days ago, 701,000. So $56,000 this week, which is amazing. My Bitcoin trades are perfectly going off. You can see this is when I sold Bitcoin, sold, bought. And now my trade is at $23,000 in the profits. I posted this just 1 day ago. You can follow on X. I have 92,400 followers on X. And you can see here, Bitcoin breaking bull flag to the upside 1 day ago. I added six Bitcoin on that bull flag breakout. And then you can see here, Bitcoin hit 73,000 26 minutes ago, $26,000 1 day later. And at the same time, also Doge. Here I posted it. Where is it? There's a Halloween Xbox giveaway for Magicraft. Make sure to go follow them and share your gameplay, everyone. New Zap skin, Bitcoin 1 day later, 22,000. That was on that post. And Doge 5 days later. I'd said bought $52,000 worth of Doge. I added more into that after, but still that 52. I was buying it at 13 cents. Now we're sitting at 17 cents, so it's $81,000. Big congratulations to all of you. Bitcoin trade 23,700 in the profits, 114% in 1 day, $354 in fees to make $23,700. And you can see my spot holdings. What I'm holding, 54% cash, 17% MCRT, 14% Doge, 7% Uni, 6% World. And you can see I'm still mostly in cash. 500 of this 757 is cash. MCRT up 6%. I was a seed investor in this. I never sold any of my seed investing founding tokens. And I've bought 103 million off the market myself. It's up 6% today, which is amazing. But you have to do your own due diligence. Consult your brokers. I was a seed investor and founder of this project. Doge is up 8% today. Huge, 82,000. I put 50. You can see here 5 days ago, I put 52,000 into Doge. 5 days later, and now we're sitting. Even what's interesting, I posted this 1 hour ago, it was $81,700, and now it's $82,700. So it went up $1,000 in 20 minutes. Uniswap is slightly up 2%. I put in $30,000 into Uniswap. It's now $40,000. World is $34,000, up 1%. I put 30,000, now it's 34,000. Which is beautiful. That account 754, and my Bitcoin trade $24,000 in the profits. We're going to jump into Bitcoin now. Goat is up 7%. Tesla was the only thing down. Goat Sui up 16%. Doge up 8.8%. Goat up 7%. I bought Goat. The Guru Ventures bought Goat at 35 cents. Now 65. MCRT up 5.8%. I've been buying a lot off the open market, and I haven't sold any seed investment tokens. Bitcoin 72,644. It hit 73,000 for a second there. You can see here on the daily. But what's very good is we have now, once this day closes in 37 minutes, we have now neutralized this rising wedge, which was the bearish pattern. So as soon as we close out now, that will be neutralized. So I'm going to get rid of this rising wedge. And what you can see now is that we're above this massive bull flag. So if we zoom out onto the weekly, you can see two huge patterns. Everyone, let me know in the comment section what those patterns are. My students, what two patterns do you see that are huge and their targets are massive, 104K? Crypto Guru Bot is fired a blue buy back in February 2023, where we bought the bottom at 16K. Now we're at 72K. We've been trading the entire time up, by the way. If any of my students or anyone new, we traded it up from 16K. We were buying a Bitcoin indicator bot firing a buy. You get them at jamescryptoguru.com. Both of these indicators, stochastic heading up, squeeze mob going green. Huge volume on the daily today. Look at that volume. Massive. We're talking today. We've still got 35 minutes, but that was a lot of volume. Let's see if I can pull up. I can't pull up that volume bar. Okay, next. But massive volume that was coming into Bitcoin on today. Huge spike. Big inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And that's playing out right now. And this big bull flag is playing out with a target of 104,000. And we broke through. We were very close to breaking all-time high. All-time high was 73,949. And today we came to 73,681. So we were about $300 off the all-time high for Bitcoin. Now I would try to, if you're going to try and catch a long, try to pull it onto some kind of pullback. It's not good to go super heavy long all-time high. I'm being very defensive up here now. I would try to catch it onto a pullback. 71,000 trade open, 69,700 stop loss, and take profit at the bull flag target, 104,000. 23 risk to reward ratio, risking 1,000. We can make it even less. Tighter stop. Opening 71,200, stop loss 70,300, risking $861 to make $34,000 with no leverage, 10x leverage, 340,000. And that's a 39 risk to reward ratio. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. And I am currently long again. My Bitcoin trade 24,400, and I'm mainly holding alts and my Bitcoin trade. And now I want to catch the alt pump after Bitcoin stabilizes. Ethereum is also looking very potentially pumpy. Like Ethereum looks like it can break out. But let's do Doge, because Doge is up huge, 8% today. Since we were buying the bottom, if you've been following my videos, we were buying exactly the bottom of Doge the last few months. From the bottom on Doge, from 8 cents, and I did have a trade open, we're up 116%. And I'll show you my Doge buys. We literally bought the bottom on Doge, that 8 cents that I'm talking about. Let's see if it shows up in the chart. You can see here, I bought that recent 12-cent dip. Now, it doesn't show the previous history, but we were buying at 8 cents if you followed my videos. But I bought that recent dip at 12.7, which is amazing. And Doge is just, wow, huge explosive move out. Big resistance is at 17 cents and 21 cents where we are right now. On the weekly chart, we have this descending wedge that is already broken out that has a target of 21 cents, builds pressure and breaks out 21 cents, which is amazing. And to catch a trade on Doge, I would still try to take it from a pullback. It's never good. The money's made when you buy and not when you sell. You need to already get it cheap to make profit. I would take this trade on Doge, but with a tighter stop loss at 15, stop loss 15, 14.4, 10 risk to reward ratio. Minimum is 3 times, as I teach you in the crypto masterclass. Let's go into some of your questions or comments. Actually, let's go into some of your comments. When is a good entry for Doge? Got to turn on my notifications for you, sir. After he saw my Dogecoin 5 days later, making 30K. Honestly, I don't trade now because I have no funds, but your tweets always bring me joy. It inspires me a lot. Thank you. Following you has been a joy. Really love seeing your wins. It inspires me. Beautiful, Benson. Good morning, James. All-time high this week? Yes, almost 3 hours ago. That would be 3 in a row, not too early. Don't you think it's order for us to reach 100K? If this bull flag breaks to the upside, which it looks like it's doing with volume, we're going to pump. You are great. Congratulations. Any chance you could give me a hand with TR? Entered at $6. Would love to hear your opinion on the technicals. I always do it if there's 2 requests. You're a great man. You were right again. Thank you, everyone. And I had questions from Please World and Sui. Booyah. Is pullback to 68,700 valid? I just updated. Dogecoin looking good. Hi, James. What's your TA for Worldcoin? So 2 requests for World. Let's do World. And World didn't pump as much as the others yet. We're still off the bottom, quite profitable, 30K into 40K, but it didn't move like the rest of them. World, 1.4%. You can see that the high for World was $12. The high for World was $12. So if we get any major, and look at the volume growing on World. Stochastic is heading up. Volume is growing. Let's go into the daily channel. I just see a clear up channel, and it's towards the bottom of the channel. Actually, you can see it's towards this bottom of this trend line. Let's see what we see here. It's just the channel. So the target would be the top of this channel, $3. 30% move here from World. It looks like it could break out. Actually, on the daily, it's oversold. I already put in 30K. If you're trying to take a trade, $1.90 would be a nice entry with the target of $3. 21 risk to reward. I'm going to add more to my spot World holdings here because It is the founder of OpenAI. ChatGPT is the founder of World. So I've got 34K of World. I put 30K into World, so it's up only 10% since I bought it. You can see here my buys on World. Here I bought exactly the bottom at $1.70. You see that? But I'm going to add now. Let's add 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. I'm buying another 20,000 of World. Let's see. 5,000. About 25K worth of World I just buying now. 5,000. So I've got those orders 5, 10, 15, 20. Plus I'm holding already 39. So it's going to be 50K worth of World that I just bought just now. And today my spot position's up 13,000, which is beautiful. And join us in the Telegram. There's 200 of you online. New all-time high into rollover top. Find a new high, low, and repeat. Hopefully, people discussing, sharing charts, discussing Trump victory and what that means. Tether printed $1 billion just a few hours ago as well, which is beautiful. And again, all the links, everyone, down below in the description. Down below under the video, you can go down below, sign up to Bybit, get a 60,000 bonus. My main exchange for trading. CoinW gives 3,000 bonus, but remember, not your coins, not your keys, not your crypto. James Crypto Guru, join 10,000 students and join us in the Telegram, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market. Love you all. Big congratulations on Doge. Big congratulations on World, even from 30K to 40K. Big congratulations on Bitcoin. 1 day later, $24,000 in profits. And Doge from 50K to 80K. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And again, big congratulations. Be defensive. Don't be going heavy long here in everything after the bull market has, already people are starting to FOMO in. So be careful. Look for things that are oversold, that are growing in volume. Take the courses before you do anything. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.